guys, welcome back to my channel Dear World. Today's video I'm going to be sharing you guys a review video. So this review is going to be about this new launch product by Alps Goodness. This is the Alps Goodness Green Tea Toner, and let's start this video. So this product has launched almost 4 to 5 months ago. It's been kind of like a medium sort of launch product, and it has been a little bit old now, but I wanted to do this review, so here I am to share you guys a review video. So this is by the brand Alps Goodness, and the price of this product is 98 rupees. In purple you always get discount on every product, so you don't have to worry about that. And it has a spray system or spray formula like this. It has a spray bottle. From this it just comes out. I'm gonna be showing one time. It makes your skin so refreshing. It penetrates on your skin so well. You just have to tap like this and that's it. It just soaks it so nice, and so well. It penetrates on your skin up to 5 layers. So this is just a wow product. It makes your skin so relaxed, so refreshing. It tones your skin. It just takes out the dead skin cells, and repairs your skin as well. And this is just my favorite product nowadays. The usage is given below, means at the packaging of the toner. And the ingredients, if you want to see the ingredients list, you can just check it. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free. So this is my favorite and thumbs up by. This makes your skin so relaxed, so smooth and so calming. It makes your skin so supple, radiant and beautiful. So guys, you have to try this toner, and this toner is available in 4 to 5 variants, so you can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys, meet you guys in my next video. Till then,